Hello, it's me, Rootsman. It's my first time to do video vlogging, even I'm not a fan of this. I mean, even it's not my profession or what, something, because I'm tired of editing some videos. But then, just want to share this, a very rare morning for me. Kanina, around 10 a.m., ginising ako ng mama ko. Even I'm not expecting someone na pupunta sa bahay kasi wala naman akong sinabihan na pumunta o ano. It's around 4 a.m. na ako nakatulog. So syempre it's past 10 a.m. So medyo masakit pa ulo ko. Galit ako kay mama kasi yun, inistorbo yung tulog ko. But then sabi ni mama, papauwiin ko to, tapos yun, pinapasok niya yung nag-deliver from High Best. Pinapasok niya sa room ko. Sabi nung lalaki, sir, may delivery ka, ganito, ganon. Tapos yun, I wasn't expecting this kind of delivery today kasi hindi naman din ako nag-order, wala akong order na kahit ano. Deliver ng girlfriend ko. And yes, as what I've said, it's a very rare morning for me. Yung bagong gising ako, halata pa naman sa mukha ko until now. Yung padala sa'yo ng it's Evo Gsx from Mi Amore. So let's open this box. Excited na ako suotin to for my next ride if ever payagan ulit. So syempre, paano ko ito mapapagsilbi ang helmet kung di ako payagan mag-ride. Yun. This one, Evo helmet, matte black. I don't know it's kung anong model to. It's a dual visor. Yung fit na fit siya sa akin. Ang nahihiya ko kanina, pagising ko pa, nakita ko to eh. Pinigilan ko lang yung luha ko. I'm so very thankful to the one who gave this. My very special girl in my life. Thank you for surprising me. I'm going to fit this. And I'm sorry. Hindi kasama siyang clear visor. Kasi yung naka-attach dito is smoke lens. Just want to thank you so much for this. It means a lot for me. It's a very rare morning. Thank you and I love you.